Tonight, we're discussing a serious issue that has shocked many fans and left a woman devastated. Imagine believing you're in a romantic relationship with a superstar like Brad Pitt, only to find out it's all a lie. This is exactly what happened to Anne, a 53-year-old woman who thought she was engaged in a heartfelt connection with the Oscar-winning actor. After falling for an online catfisher, she lost nearly her entire life savings, totaling around $850,000. It's distressing to think how easily trust can be manipulated, especially in the digital age where we often connect with personas rather than people. A representative for Pitt has publicly expressed empathy for victims of such scams, highlighting the importance of discernment when interacting online. They noted that celebrities often have no verified presence on platforms where fans might cross paths with imposters. This tragedy underscores a crucial lesson about online safety and vigilance. The emotional toll on victims can be unimaginable, and we need to raise awareness about these predatory tactics. Brad's team encourages everyone to prioritize safety over starry-eyed fantasies. Shifting gears from heartbreak to heartwarming, let's talk about Renée Zellweger and her romance with Anstead. Recently, Zellweger opened up in a candid interview with her Bridget Jones co-star, Hugh Grant. She shared about her decision to settle down in Southern California, near San Diego, to be close to Ant and his young son. It's refreshing to see a celebrity embrace a more grounded lifestyle, prioritizing family and genuine connection over the glitz and glam. After first meeting on the set of Celebrity IOU Joyride back in 2021, their love story blossomed away from the watchful eye of the media. Renée's willingness to share this chapter of her life is a beautiful reminder that love can take many forms. Ant reflected on how their collaboration turned into more than just a professional connection, noting how the unpredictability of life sometimes brings unforeseen joy. It's a pleasure to see them support each other's endeavors while keeping a significant portion of their relationship private. This is an important part of maintaining a healthy relationship amid public scrutiny, especially in Hollywood where privacy often feels like a luxury. The story of Anne and her experience with the catfisher is not just an isolated incident. It highlights a growing trend of online deception that target individuals who are looking for love or companionship. The world of online dating and social media can often feel daunting, especially when you're navigating the complexities of meeting someone new. It's vital for everyone to take a step back and evaluate their online interactions carefully. A simple reminder to our viewers: always be skeptical of unsolicited messages, particularly from individuals who claim to be celebrities. While it's easy to fantasize about a connection with stars like Brad Pitt, the reality is often far more complex. Scammers are skilled at crafting convincing personas that can easily tug at your heartstrings. It's essential that we protect our mental and financial well-being by keeping our guard up and doing thorough research before engaging with potential partners online. Learning from the experiences of others can serve as a protective measure against similar heartaches. As we reflect on Renée and Ant's relationship, it's a beautiful testament to the idea that love can triumph amid life's chaos. They both have experienced their share of challenges, including previous relationships. Renée's openness about her choices reflects a maturity that many can learn from. It reminds us that relationships are not just about sparks and glitz. They involve hard work, compassion, and understanding. This narrative demonstrates that sometimes, stepping away from the fast-paced Hollywood lifestyle can lead to deeper connections and a more fulfilling life. As the couple celebrates milestones, like their second anniversary, it's evident that they value the simple joys of life together, be it hiking or enjoying moments filled with laughter. Relationships require nurturing, and it's refreshing to see how Renée and Ant have embraced that, turning their love into a shared journey that continues to evolve. We can all take inspiration from their story. Real love is built on mutual support and understanding, regardless of the pressures that surround it. In today's age, where social media dominates our interactions, it has become increasingly crucial for us to navigate our relationships thoughtfully. The allure of connecting with someone online can be irresistible, especially when the other person seems perfect. However, we must tread carefully, as illustrated by Anne's story. The seductive nature of romance across a screen can lead to disastrous outcomes if we aren't vigilant. We should be teaching ourselves and our loved ones how to identify red flags in online communication. For instance, ask probing questions about someone's life that only a genuine person would know. If all they say aligns in a way that feels too perfect, do a little digging. Protect your heart, your finances, and your peace of mind. Celebrities are leveraging their platforms to encourage fans to be careful, but it's a shared responsibility within our communities to educate each other about safe online behavior. Let's honor the lessons learned from both the harsh reality of scams and the uplifting narratives of genuine connections. By doing this, we can foster a safer environment for ourselves and others. Ultimately, the journey of love in a digital age poses unique challenges, yet it can also bring profound opportunities for connection. The stories of Brad, Renée, and Ant collectively teach us about the intricacies of love, trust, and the need to protect ourselves. As we traverse through our own relationships, let's remember that genuine connection necessitates authenticity, patience, and sometimes a departure from social expectations. In a world where it's all too easy to focus on the superficial, let's strive for a deeper understanding of ourselves and the people around us. Love isn't just about finding someone special. It's about contributing to a relationship that fosters growth and mutual respect. Whether through the lens of caution inspired by Anne's misfortune or the warm embrace of the love Renée and Ant share, let's hold these narratives close and apply their lessons into our lives.